How to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To solve such error, it is very simple. So starting off, go ahead and open up your phone setting. From here, select the option of network and internet. From here, go to SIM card and mobile network. Select the SIM number that has been shown as error. Make sure that you have enabled the SIM card. Now do the same process for another SIM if you have a dual SIM. Now once it is done, you can head back from here. Scroll down until you find the option of your Google. Select Google. Now scroll down. Tap on Mobile Data and Messaging. Select Phone Number Verification and make sure to enable Automatically Verify Phone Number. By this way, the phone number will be automatically verified. Now after this, the problem is not resolved. Go ahead and scroll down the notification center. Press and hold onto airplane mode and toggle it on for 3 seconds. Then disable it again. This is to refresh the network. Also ensure that you are not connected to any VPN connection. If you are connected, disable it and try again. Those were some of the methods to solve this error. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.